Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on December 23rd. Vincent van Gogh's ear incident shocks the art world. 1888. On December 23, 1888, the Dutch artist Vincent van Gogh suffered a severe mental crisis in Arles, France. During this breakdown, he cut off part of his left ear with a razor, an act that stunned those around him. He reportedly wrapped the ear and gave it to a woman nearby. The incident revealed the deep emotional struggles he faced throughout his life. Despite his mental health challenges, Van Gogh continued to create extraordinary artworks that later gained worldwide fame. Famous Christmas poem changes holiday traditions. 1823. On December 23, 1823, the poem A Visit from St. Nicholas was published anonymously in the Troy Sentinel newspaper in New York. The poem later became famous as The Night Before Christmas. It played a major role in shaping modern ideas about Santa Claus and Christmas traditions. The verses introduced Santa's cheerful nature and his reindeer. The poem was later credited to Clement C. Moore and remains a holiday favorite. USS Pueblo crew finally returns home. 1968. On December 23, 1968, the crew of the USS Pueblo was released by North Korea after nearly 11 months in captivity. The ship had been seized earlier that year, causing a serious Cold War crisis. North Korea claimed the vessel entered its waters, while the United States denied this claim. The long detention worried families and strained international relations. The release marked an important diplomatic moment, though the ship remains in North Korea. Wake Island falls to Japanese forces in World War II. 1941. On December 23, 1941, American forces on Wake Island surrendered to Japanese troops during World War II. This followed the attack on Pearl Harbor as Japan expanded across the Pacific. Despite being outnumbered, the defenders resisted bravely for several days. Their stand became a symbol of courage under pressure. The surrender marked an early Japanese victory in the Pacific War. Federal Reserve System is created in the United States. 1913. On December 23, 1913, President Woodrow Wilson signed the Federal Reserve Act into law. The act created the Federal Reserve System to stabilize the U.S. banking system. Before this, the nation often faced financial panics and bank failures. The Federal Reserve was given authority to manage the money supply and regulate banks. It remains one of the most influential institutions in the American economy. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.